This is 2024 GCE Mathematics Paper 2 for grade 12s. So this question, the way you answer it, it carries how many marks? 2 marks. As you can see, this is the question. So the first thing you do, you write what? The square root. Have you seen this 8? You write it there. Over what? This 27. Have you seen this 3? You put it here. Like this. There is a power, you put it here. This is a process that you have to do every time you are solving this question. And this 3, it's asking you to look for a number. When you multiply it 3 times, you have to get 8. So which number can you multiply 3 times to get 8? It's 2. You write 2 over. You come also down. Which number can you multiply 3 times to get 27? That number is what? 3. You put it like this, and there is a power. This 2, it means it multiplies everything, which is up and down. So 2 squared is what? 4. 3 squared is what? 9. This is where you end. This is question 2, and question 2 says simplify. Simplify 4, open brackets, x minus 2, close, plus 3, open brackets, 2x minus 3, close. So when you are dealing with simplify, there is one thing you need to put in mind. Simplify simply means group the like terms together. And if there is no equal sign, don't change the sign. Just carry it the way it is. So let's start. So 4 times x, it's what? It's 4x. Like this. Minus 4 times 2, what do you get? You get 8. Plus 3 times 2x, what do you get? You get 6x. Positive times negative, what do you get? You get what? Negative. 3 times 3, what do you get? You get 9. After you have reached here, you group what we call the like terms. So you say 4x, you check which other term has got x. It's this one, which is positive 6. It will come the way it is with a sign, plus 6x minus 8 minus what? 9, like that. So what is 4x plus 6x? What do you get? You get 10x. Here, this is where people get confused most of the times. Once you observe that there are same signs, they are going from the same direction. What do I mean? Negative, negative. The secret is just you to add 8 plus 9. What do you get? You get 17. And where are the signs going? From the same direction, which is a negative. So here it's what? Negative. So what is 8 plus 9? It's 17. You end there. This is how you get your 2 marks. This is question 3. And question 3 says, solve the equation, and it carries 3 marks. So the way you answer this question, have you seen here, there is no any sign. So once you just observe that the equal sign is at the end, it means they are separate. So what you do here, you will remove these numbers inside the brackets. So you will say 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Or x plus 2 equals to what? 0. Like that. The next step you do, you will say 3x is equal to 0. This one, it was a negative. If it crosses the equal sign, becomes what? A positive. So 3x is equal to 5. You divide both sides by what? By 3. Also there, you eliminate. So how many times can 3 go into 5? It goes 1 time, remainder 2 over 3. Here, you know that x is equal to, it was a positive if it crosses the equal sign. So becomes what? A negative. So x is equal to what? Negative 2. So this is how you get your 2 marks. This is question 4, and question 4 says factorize completely. Factorize completely. So the question is C, 7x squared minus 7, and how many marks? 2 marks. So when you are dealing with factorize, most of the time they have to give you a number which can go into that number, and also they also give you sometimes a letter or a number which can go into that number. But in this case, the only common number is what? It's 7. So you say 7, open brackets. What has remained here? It's x squared minus. How many times can 7 go into 7? It goes 1 time. Now you can't end here. This is what we call difference of 2 squares. So how do you deal with this question? So you will say 7 open x minus 1 x plus 1. So this is the format for difference of 2 squares. It is always attached with a negative and a positive numbers like this. Thank you for following. I hope you have enjoyed and stay blessed.